Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create resources in IONOS Mail Business Mailbox. The first thing I want you to do is just log into IONOS Webmail Dashboard, come to the top right and click on this gear cog to access your settings. And from here I want you to click on All Settings, the first option. And then from the left hand panel I want you to scroll all the way down until you see Resources. I want you to click on Resources and then click here on Create New Resource. Click here and then just enter the name of your resource. Okay, I'll just name this Resource 1 and then just enter an email address that you want right here. I'll just go ahead and enter this in. You can go ahead and add a description if you want right here. This is optional and you can choose your booking behavior. So if you choose this one, the booking requests are automatically accepted if the resource is basically free. And this one, the resource basically delegates manually, accept or decline the booking request. Okay, I'll just choose the first option right here for automatic acceptance. Then click here on Create. As you can see right here, our resource has been created. And that is how to create resources in IONOS Mail Business Mailbox.